What is going on, Cocoa Puffs? So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am super excited because we don't have a workout. Today I had some really good information I wanted to share with you. These are just tips and tricks and hacks and things that I have discovered along my own healthy journey that I want to share with you. So without further ado, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. It is totally free for you and it really means so much to me. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I'm not really a gung-ho health person. I don't like sprouted bread. I don't like kale chips. I don't be drinking cucumber juice, although I'm going to try. But I'm a regular person and I like to eat certain things that may not necessarily be the best for me. So what I have found in my life is that it's really helpful to know certain ways to kind of eat my cake and still have it too. Of course, I don't go overboard with these things, but don't judge me. That's kind of what I'm trying to say. Don't judge me. I'm just being honest with you guys. So let's get into the first tip. The first tip is regarding bread. Guys, I love bread. I don't think I will ever stop eating bread. Bread is just part of my DNA. I feel like if I did the Ancestry DNA thing, I'm probably 10% bread. I love that stuff. And what makes it worse is that I like white bread. I don't like sprouted bread. You cannot pay me enough money to eat Ezekiel bread. I don't really like whole wheat bread. It's not the same, you know? It's kind of like fried chicken. Fried chicken is just different from any other type of chicken. I'm sorry if you're vegan, but point being, I like the bad stuff. So one tip that I have found to be extremely helpful for me is when I am eating bread, specifically if I'm making a sandwich at home, I have found that I can have a slice of white bread and a slice of healthy bread. So it could be Ezekiel bread or whole wheat bread or something healthier on top. I call it my biracial sandwich because one side's white and the other side is usually brown, which is the good stuff. And so that helps me to feel like I'm eating white bread, but not really. And on the days that I'm really, really in my feelings, I will put the white slice at the bottom. So when I bite into my sandwich, it feels like just white bread and it's good. Another tip regarding bread, this wasn't something I was going to share, but since I'm talking about bread, I might as well tell you. When I buy burgers, and yes, I eat burgers, what I do is I will take off the top of the bun and just eat my burger with just the bread on the bottom. And it's very messy, and I love that. I do. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I will go back and still eat the slice that I took off the top, which kind of defeats the whole purpose. But once in a while, angels are around and they help me to be disciplined, and I only will eat just the one piece of bread at the bottom of my burger. So there you go, 2 bread hacks in one. That is awesome. Next tip. The next thing I wanted to share with you is a tip regarding coconut water. I have always enjoyed coconut water, but I didn't realize how hydrating and awesome it is to drink coconut water. And the reason I wanted to really make this video is because of this particular tip. As you guys may know from my What I Eat in a Day video that I posted earlier, I practice intermittent fasting a couple of days a week, and usually I will do a 16-hour fast, which is the most basic beginner intermittent fast you could possibly be doing. But I found that when I drink coconut water, I can actually fast for 24 hours, no problem. And if you guys want a video of me vlogging a 24-hour fast, I will be happy to do so. Because of my cultural background, I don't really feel like it's a big deal to fast for 24 hours, but that's a different video. But point being, I've realized that coconut water is such an amazing way to stay hydrated during a fast. So if you're struggling with your intermittent fasting, maybe you want to consider drinking some coconut water. It may make it easier for y'all. I don't know what accent that was, but I hope you understood what I was trying to say. The third tip I have for you is regarding snacks. Like many of you, I am always on the go. There's always something happening. And when you're that busy, it's very difficult to make good choices with snacks. So what I have found is that apparently it is still okay to have baby weaning food even as an adult. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. But I do. This particular brand I'm showing you is not my favorite. Usually if I'm showing you a food item in a video, it's because it's not my favorite. My favorites are usually gone because I like food. but the brand that I tend to enjoy the most is actually the Up and Up brand from Target, and they have carrots and spinach, sweet potato and banana, strawberry and banana. They just have all these healthy, no preservatives, no GMO, just good, healthy stuff mashed up and in a pouch. I don't even have to wash my hands. I can be on the go. It's usually in my trunk, and whenever I need a snack on the go, I just pop my trunk and there's a ton of baby food in there. I just grab one, I eat it, and I feel good. And the bonus in that is if my son happens to be in the car, if you're new here, I have a 3-year-old. If he happens to be in the car, I don't feel bad about sharing that snack with him because it's really good, healthy stuff. It's not as good as eating an actual piece of fruit or vegetable, but it is way better than McDonald's, which would be what would happen if I didn't have healthier options in my car. So that's my third tip for you. Have healthy options in your car, and if you want to be savage like me, you can just make it baby food, and who cares? You're doing what's right for you. Anyway, those are my 3 tips. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in my next video, which may or may not be a workout. We will see. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.